Welcome to Chelsea Lightfoot Hall, London, a premier destination for modern living in the heart of the city. Experience elegantly designed en-suites, affordable non-en-suites, and stylish studios, each boasting exceptional amenities such as a TV in every bedroom, perfect for relaxing while binging your all-time favorites. Stay connected with high-speed Wi-Fi, ideal for streaming, studying, or staying in touch with friends and family. Step outside your room and socialize in the chic communal lounge, catch up on your favorite shows with friends, or handle your laundry in the on-site laundry room. With all utility bills included, managing your budget is stress-free. Perfectly situated near renowned academic centers such as Manresa Rd London and the English National Ballet School, Chelsea Lightfoot Hall offers easy access to education. On weekends, enjoy bar hopping at the Cadogan Arms, the Pig's Ear, and Cooper's Arms. Whether you're grabbing a bite at a nearby eatery or exploring the city's vibrant culture, everything you need is just a short walk away. With commute options like the Carlisle Square Chelsea bus stop close by, traveling is a breeze. Ready to elevate your London living experience? Visit amberstudent.com to secure your spot at Chelsea Lightfoot Hall today.